everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Snack Review with me, Randy Prizzle. Excuse me. What I've got for you guys, Walker's oven baked, sun-dried tomato, new. And obviously this is probably their take on a Sunbite crisp that obviously got disintegrated, they got deleted. But let's see what these oven baked crisps are saying. The sun-dried tomato in there, basil flavour as well. It's a great taste, 50% less fat. The price of this was about £1.20, no, it's £1.75 for this. But that's what it looks like, you know what I mean? The crunch, look at that glistening flavour. It looks like it's packed full of flavour on there, which I'm excited for. So let's go. That's quite nice. That's quite nice. The flavour of tomato comes through. There is that kind of sun-dried tomato hint, and that basil's coming through as well. So overall, the flavours do come through. The crunch is there. It's working well as well. It's doing what it needs to do. So overall, very good. I'm going to give this an 8.2 out of 10. And that's it for this episode of the Snack Review. Till next time, snack out.